Hey everybody, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to show you how I made two DIY wood frame signs for just around $15, so take a look.
Okay, for this project I used two 1x2x8 furring strips from Home Depot to make the frames. You can see here that I am just cutting those down to size. I did four cuts at 24 inches long, and then I did 4 cuts at 21 inches long for the frame. Okay, next I have a piece of plywood that I got from one of the bins at Home Depot. It was already cut. It's 2 foot by 2 foot. I got 2 of these for $5 a piece, and I'm just dry fitting the pieces of frame to the board to make sure that they fit and they will look right. Okay, next I'm going to stain the frame pieces with Rustoleum wood stain in a dark walnut finish. I already had this, so it did not cost me anything for that. I'm just going to put on some gloves so that I don't get my hands all stained, because the stain is hard to just wash off. So it is best to wear gloves while you are staining. Just a little tip here about staining wood. When you are applying stain, you always want to go with the grain and in a back and forth motion, so that way it goes on more evenly. Next up was to paint the piece of plywood, and I chose to paint it with Rustoleum's chalked linen white paint. And again, I already had that, so that did not cost me anything. You can see here that I am painting the edges of the plywood too, because those will show, so just make sure that you don't forget about the edges. Alright, the next step was to attach the frame to the plywood, and I just laid the plywood on top of the frame and lined that piece up, and then I used my staple gun to attach it. My staple gun wasn't working that great, unfortunately, so I just started the nails and then I ended up pounding them down with a hammer. I did the two 24-inch cut pieces first, and then next I did the 21-inch cut pieces and just laid them in between both of those other frame pieces and nailed everything down into place. Alright, so for inside the frames, I found these wall decals from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this one with the bird was just really pretty for spring. And then I just got a saying for the other one that I thought was really nice. The best thing about these decals is that they're just peel and stick, so you can just peel them off and you can use new ones for different holidays, and you can change up your decor really easily, which is really nice because I like to do that a lot. So I think this project turned out really great, and for just about $15 for both frames, I think you can't go wrong.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.